Hi guys, welcome back to Fairies Tutorials. In today's episode, we'll be looking at Tourism Unit 2. And guess what? We're on the final topic for Module 2, and Module 2 is entitled Marketing. The final topic that we'll be exploring in today's session is Marketing Plan. Stay tuned. Tourism Unit 2, and we're looking at Module 2, which is entitled Marketing. In today's episode, we're exploring Content 8, which is entitled Marketing Plan. Now, let's take a look at our focus points. So we'll be looking at the definition of a key concept. We're going to also look at the purposes, the benefits, and key components of a marketing plan. But first, let us set the foundation by looking at what is a marketing plan. A marketing plan is a business document outlining your marketing strategy and procedures, right? A marketing plan is a business document outlining your marketing strategies and also your procedures. It is often focused on a specific period of time, for example, over the next 12 months, and covers a variety of marketing related details such as cost, goals, and also action steps. Now, a marketing plan is a roadmap providing you with direction towards reaching your business objectives. The purpose of a marketing plan is to clearly show what steps or actions will be taken to achieve the plan goals. For example, a marketing plan might have a strategy to increase the organization's market share by 10%. Good? So that is the purpose of a marketing plan. Now, let us look at the benefits to a marketing plan, right? So one, it gives clarity to who your market is. It's easier to find clients and customers if you know who they are. Two, it helps you craft marketing messages that will generate results. Marketing is about knowing what your product or service can do to help a target market, right? Your messages need to speak directly to your market. And finally, a benefit of a marketing plan is that it provides focus and direction. Email, social media, advertising, guest blogging, direct mail, publicity, and so on. With so many marketing choices, you need to plan for determining the best course of action for your business. All right. Now, let us look at the different components of a marketing plan. There is an executive summary, situation analysis that focuses on internal factors, customers, and also internal factors. There is a SWOT analysis, and the SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. There is also a mission statement, marketing goals and objectives, marketing strategies, marketing budget implementation, and also monitoring and evaluation. All right. Now, let us break up these key components to find out what these components are all about, right? And the first one that we're looking at is the executive summary. So what's the purpose of the executive summary? The purpose of the executive summary in a marketing plan is to introduce the company and explain all the key elements to the plan in a shorter form. Likewise, your executive summary for your business plan that introduce your product or your service. This particular executive summary in the marketing plan will explain all the key marketing plan will introduce the marketing plan in a simpler or short form. The next component is the situation analysis, right? So situational analysis often is called the foundation of a marketing plan. A situation analysis includes a thorough examination of internal and external factors affecting the business. It creates an overview of the organization that will lead to a better understanding of the factors that will influence its future and also the customers. Now, utilizing market research, a situation analysis will define potential customers, projected growth, competitors, and a realistic assessment of your business. It involves targeting the specific objectives in the business and identifying the factor that will support or hinder those objectives, right? Now, we've looked at the customer aspect of the situation analysis. Now we're going to look at the internal factors or the internal analysis, right? Now, the internal analysis is a thorough knowledge and understanding of the strengths and weaknesses within your organization, right? Now, these factors are seen in company's culture and image, organizational structure, staff, operational efficiency and capacity, brand awareness, financial resources, etc. Right? Now, strengths are positive attributes which can be tangible or intangible and are within the control of the organization, whereas weaknesses are factors that may hinder the achievement of the desired goal. All right, now let us look at the external analysis. Opportunities and threats are measured as part of an external analysis. Now, both can occur when things happen in external environment that may require change within the business. These external changes can be attributed but not limited to market trends, suppliers, partners, customers, competitors, new technology, and also the economic environment, right? Now, the third component of the marketing plan is a SWOT analysis. This is a tool for auditing an organization and its environment. It is the first stage of planning and helps marketers to focus on key issues. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths and weaknesses are internal factors. Opportunities and threats are external factors. A strength is a positive internal factor. A weakness, a negative internal factor. An opportunity is a positive external factor, whereas a threat is a negative external factor. Good? Now, let us look at the mission statement. And this is the fourth component. The mission statement is not so much a broad statement about business goals as it is a specific statement of goals for the marketing department. The mission statement should speak to clear goals that are also attainable, right? So the mission statement is not so much of a broad statement, guys, about the business goals. It is a specific statement for the goals of the marketing department, right? And as we said before, the mission statement should seek to clear goals that are attainable. Good? Now, an example of a marketing plan mission statement might read: the mission at Organic Body Products Inc. is to provide high quality skincare and body care products to women who want what goes on their bodies to have as high a quality as what goes inside their bodies. Our plan at Organic Body Products Inc. is to expand information about our product by 40% beyond its current rate and to increase sales by 25% this year. Now, that is an example of a marketing mission statement, all right? Now, let us look at 5. Component number 5 is marketing goals and objectives. Now, once you have established your strengths and your weaknesses and opportunities and strengths, that is your SWOT analysis, right? Available through the marketing audit, you can redefine your marketing objectives and how these fit in your business objectives, right? Now, typically, clients' marketing objectives include some or all of the following: increase sales, build brand awareness, grow market share, launch new products and services, target new customers, enter new markets internationally or locally, improve stakeholder relations, enhance customer relationships, and also improve internal communications. Good. And that is it for marketing goals and objectives. Now let us look at component 6, and this one is marketing strategies. Your marketing strategy is an explanation of the goals you need to achieve with your marketing efforts. Your marketing strategy is shaped by your business's goals, right? Your business goals and your marketing strategy should go hand in hand. The purpose of your marketing strategy should be to identify and then communicate the benefits of your business offerings to your target markets, right? Now, component 7, the marketing budget. Now, failure to properly cost and budget your marketing plan could lead to problems. Marketing budgets ensure that marketing plan or campaign is realistically costed. Now, a marketing budget is an estimate of projected cost to market your products and services. A typical marketing budget will take into account all marketing costs. Example, marketing communications, salaries for marketing managers, cost of office space, etc. However, much of the budget is concerned with marketing communications, and examples of those are, remember we looked at them in the previous episode, public relations, website, and also advertising. Good. Now let us look at component 8, which is implementation. And implementation now is the action process. The implementation phase involves assignments addressing the who, where, when, and how of reaching the goals and objectives of the business. Marketing implementation involves putting the marketing design, execution, and scheduling into development. This phase requires the giving of specific tasks and timelines to individuals and groups. And also, the business employees gather the necessary resources to execute the marketing program and release the organization product or services to the public. And as I said before, this phase of the marketing plan is the action phase, right? Now 9. So after we have gone into action, it's now time to monitor and evaluate. And this is component 9. Now, monitoring and evaluation is a process that helps improve performance and achieve results. Its goals is to improve current and future management outputs, outcomes, and impacts. Confirming how the marketing activity is to be measured allows clients to evaluate on an ongoing basis if their marketing plan is being kept on track and that the business objectives are likely to be met. And all of these considerations we have to take when we're monitoring and evaluating the marketing plan, which is the implementation process of things. All right, now we're at our activity. Outline the components of a marketing plan. You're awesome. You've made it to the end of the video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and also share with persons who you know will find this information useful. Thank you for making it Ferris Tutorials.